Tickle, tickle, tickle. I'll make you giggle. La 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 la. Let's have fun a little. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Mercury so little. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Venus reflects the sunlight. Tickly, tickly, tickle.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey guys! Today we're making awesome paper crafts for school. I was just about to…
Sue! Sue, the cable monster got me! It's huge! It's wiggly! It's like a wire kraken!
Oh no! Technology is eating Sammy alive! Quick, someone! Press the undo button.
For real though, look at this mess! How am I supposed to carry this to school?
Relax, Drama King. I'll fix it. Watch closely. Craft magic incoming! Done! Tamed, organized, and beautiful.
Organized, yes, but it still needs our brand! More color, more sparkle, more wow! Wait, what is this thing? Perfect! Wow, that's awesome! I had just turned boring into cool!
Yep, craft powers activated.
Ah, the monster is back!
Relax, Sammy. It's just me. And these googly eyes.
Googly eyes, instant win! And I made this!
Nice! Okay, Sammy. Now you're officially school ready.
If only I had something fun for recess. Not wires, though. Never wires again! Huh? That looks like fun! I should just skip over it, right? Ah!
He's so clumsy.
Ouch! Ugh, okay. No wires then. Oh no! Sue! I accidentally broke this thing and can't put it back together!
Sue to the rescue. Nick and Judy, don't worry. I got you. First, we cut out a piece of cardboard. Actually, we need 2 of them. Next, Sammy, helper mode on.
Hi-ya! Yeah, this craft looks naked. It needs clothes and color. Lots of color.
Great point. And nice touch with this purple shade. And ta-da!
Sue, this puzzle is next level! Haha!
So here is how it's done. Okay, Master Crafter, what's with this?
That's super simple! Tape these thingies here, here, and there!
Like this? Am I doing it right?
Yep, perfect! Now flip it! Add more tape! That's right! And here's the other side of the frame!
All right, done! So is this supposed to be new blinds for your room?
What? No way! I admit it looks like it, though. Here, check it out. Technocraft magic! Woohoo!
Whoa, I want to try doing that too! Whoosh! Hey, it's not working. Okay, I'll just do it classic style. Aw, what a cute little unicorn! Wait, our teacher, Miss Sally, loves unicorns. Oh no, we forgot about her birthday! Sammy, focus! I was supposed to wrap the gift!
Relax, you're talking to a pro. I once wrapped a gift for a princess of TV Dabble herself!
Really? Well, I hope it looked good. Now, am I doing it right at all? Well, it looks… interesting. What's next?
Next, let's fill that perfect wrapping with candy.
Here comes jewelry, too!
Does a teacher need candy? Seriously. I mean, I'm hungry.
Nice try, Sammy. I'd better close it up to keep the candy safe.
Then I'll just go give it to Miss Sally.
Sammy, her birthday is next week. This stays with me for now. Far, far away from your sweet tooth.
Fine, I've got another super top secret spy idea for our next craft.
So, spy idea, huh?
Ah! Don't sneak up on me like that, Sue. Here, we will make a secret spy watch.
What's so secret about it? Except maybe the folding technique.
There will be a hidden candy compartment. Duh.
For sneaky snacking? Cool, but we need more parts.
I got what you asked for.
Nice! Here's what you asked for.
Nicely done. Mission complete, Agent Sue. Hey, I was undercover.
And I just want to finish this craft. Let me try. Wow, super comfy.
Agreed.
Sammy, you ate everything?
Yeah, I couldn't help it. Uh-oh, pencil emergency! We need a sharpener!
Easy. Just give me a sec.
Please tell me it won't make a mess. I'm done with shavings.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Now, we need decorations.
It looks like... Exactly! Ta-da!
I'm not sure how this is gonna help.
Just use your imagination and a bit of magic.
Wow, your creativity is wild, especially when food is involved.
It looks delicious. Aww.
Sammy, you okay?
Tie me up before I eat it.
So silly.
Aw, Sue, it looks so cute.
And the best part? No more messy shavings.
Nice! I got a super sharp pencil. But I still can't draw a straight line.
Do you really need a straight line?
Well, yeah. I gotta make a birthday card for Miss Sally.
You're right. And I've got an idea. We'll make a paper ruler for perfect lines.
Love the idea, Sue. Don't forget to reinforce it.
Good call, Sammy.
This ruler needs a cuteness upgrade. Bears are cute, aren't they?
That's true. I simply love pandas.
Me too! But this doesn't look like a panda. Is it a rare blue panda?
I love it! Special panda needs special markings. All done. Time for the birthday card.
Perfect timing! I got everything ready to go.
All right, guys. This card is gonna be special. Watch closely.
Woohoo! Let's go! Best card ever!
Thanks for your smile. But just one emoji isn't enough.
Agent Sam is on the mission! Ew, it's sour. Anything for craft?
Great job! But we need even more.
Come on, push through.
I'm trying. I can't feel my slime. Ugh.
And done. Ready to test it?
Red face with a tongue? Now, squinty eyes? This is so cool, Sue! If only we could save these funny moments. Wait! We need a camera! And it has to be my favorite color!
Sure thing. The first part's ready. Sammy, can you?
Ah! Haha! Gotcha! It's a paper snake!
Oh yeah? Take this! Paper snake attack! Okay, truce. Hand over the rest parts.
Roger that! This selfie stick is perfect!
Maybe. Not for selfies, though.
And I made the film! Here you go!
It meets color. Say cheese, everybody! Isn't it just perfect for saving happy memories?
Don't forget the back cover.
Got it! And all the buttons, too! Here comes the lens. Well, should we test it? Hey, it's not working.
Give it another try with the flash.
Yes! Look at all these photos! Aren't they just amazing?
Wow, we made so many school crafts today.
True, but school isn't just homework.
Exactly! It's also summer break! Swimming in the ocean, cute fish everywhere. Oh, hello you! Say cheese! Oops, gotta go! Sue, here are my underwater photos for our last craft!
Oh, I love your idea. Guys, we'll make ocean squishies to remember the summer by.
Don't forget water, too!
Of course! Only the cleanest, splashiest water, straight from the heart of the ocean for our cuties. Into the baggies.
Label each one, Sue!
You got it! And done!
Woohoo! So squishy!
Thanks for crafting with us, friends. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
This is a folded paper plate filled with card and tissue paper shapes for the yummy taco fillings. First, take a paper plate, turn it over and paint the back yellow. Then, leave it to dry. Then, fold it in half. It's now time to add the fillings. I've got tissue paper and card here in lots of different colours and shapes. Here's my lettuce, salsa and sour cream. And how about we finish it off with some cheese strips. Now glue everything in place. And glue the other side of the paper plate, fold it over and leave it to dry. First, take an old greeting card and cut out 2 pictures. Now, carefully cut the present and the teddy in half. This amazing peg plane has lollipop stick wings and you can paint it however you like. First, paint a peg any colour you like. I'm painting mine yellow. Then paint the lollipop sticks. 2 long and 1 short. Use a pen to add details to your sticks. Then glue it all together. You can make lots of peg planes in any colours you like.